To troubleshoot issues with your TTV, several solutions can be attempted. First, try accessing the app info by tapping and holding on the TTV icon. Then navigate to the storage section. From there, click on the Clear Data button and confirm by selecting Clear Old Data, and then OK. After completing this step, try restarting your TTV to see if it's working properly. If the issue persists, check your internet speed, as a low or unstable connection can cause errors. To do this, open a web browser, search for speed test, and run the test if your internet speed is less than 2 megabits per second. It's likely that your internet is slow, and upgrading your connection may be necessary to resolve the issue. Another potential solution is to update your TTV to the latest version, which can be downloaded from the Play Store or other sources. Updating to the latest version may fix the problem.